In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize SEO for Google sites. By the end, your site will be easier for search engines to find and clearer for visitors to understand without adding any complicated tools. First, make sure your site is actually live and accessible to the public. In Google Sites, click Publish and confirm the web address you want to use. In the visibility options, choose to make the site available to anyone on the web. This is essential. If the site isn't published or is restricted to specific people, search engines can't see it. After you make changes in the editor, remember to publish again so your updates are reflected on the live version. Next, turn on search indexing. Open settings in the editor, go to Viewer Tools, then Search Settings, and enable search indexing. This tells search engines that your site is allowed to appear in results. If you ever had indexing turned off, re-enable it and republish. Keep in mind, indexing isn't instant. It can take days or even a few weeks for search engines to crawl and process changes, so patience is part of the process. Now, strengthen every page with a descriptive page title and a compelling meta description. The page title should clearly state what the page is about in a concise way, ideally including your main keyword. Aim for something readable and specific, not just a generic label. Then add a meta description for each page using the page's settings or properties. Keep it around 1 to 2 short sentences, about 150 to 160 characters, summarizing the value a visitor will find on that page. Make each title and description unique across your site to avoid confusion and improve clarity. Finally, use keywords naturally in your headings, body content, and image alt text. Your main heading should reflect the primary topic, with subheadings organizing supporting sections. Write for humans first. Use simple, direct language, answer likely questions, and avoid repeating the same phrase over and over. Sprinkle related terms and synonyms where they make sense to build context. For images, add alt text that briefly describes what's shown and, when relevant, includes a natural keyword. Alt text helps search engines understand your visuals and improves accessibility for visitors using screen readers. That's it. Publish and keep your site public, enable search indexing, craft clear titles and meta descriptions for every page, and weave keywords naturally into headings, content, and alt text. Revisit these basics regularly as you update your site, and over time you'll see stronger visibility and a better experience for your audience.